as you've noticed from watching our videos on how I adjust the entire spine and pelvis, the entire body actually. There we go, good. There. Boy, I'm catching you all over the place there, Miles. In the cave of misalignment of the vertebra with the thoracic spine and ribs where they meet in the back, called the costovertebral subluxations. There you go. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up into your pelvis.
Yep.
Same here. Yes, sir. I'm getting better now.
Yep.
Got some crepitus in that right shoulder too. You just popping?
Yeah.
Feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Did that a lot?
Yeah.
I can barely get my arms around you. There you go. You get a workout just lifting your legs up and your arms. Okay, deep breath through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Oh yeah, home run. I don't have to ask twice if you felt that one all the way down. Now, you remember the reflexes before. Look at that. That's better, isn't it? Yes, sir. That's it. Nope, I still got one here. Let me have you. Wiggle your left big toe. Okay.
Go. Nope. Good, nice.
So, what was that? What did that feel like? Give us a. Okay, one more here.
Oh my goodness.
Good. Why are you laughing? Hear it all.
Yeah.
You'll feel Atlas when I get to Atlas.
You're gonna get to Atlas.
We'll see. You're doing pretty good, so right now I'm more hopeful. Ready one more side?
Sure.
Good.
I can feel it on my chest.
You feel your chest?
Yeah, it feels my chest is loosening up.
Yeah, here's Atlas up here. I'm
That's where
adjusting,
it's really tender.
I'm adjusting right down here. Stay away from the Atlas right now. Stay away. Okay, come towards me more. Good, nice.
A couple of those.
Yeah.
Nice and tall now.
Hey, you guys, I have one of those
Inversion tables.
conversion tables.
Sleepiness driving these muscles will be hard.
Let's go ahead and motion the head up, left. What I'm motioning here is the occiput, the skull, okay? This is moving fine. It's a little tight on that left side. Let's go ahead and set your third cervical first. That's perfect. There we go. Go ahead and just hold your wrist there, please. Let me push your shoulder up. Are you okay with that? Good. We're going to do this two parts. First part is to get that S2 set here, and then the second part is going to be, there it is. Now, before you stand, I want you to sit. Okay. There you go. Head down, please. I'm just going to pump it a few times just to prep it. Can you handle this here? Is anything shooting down your leg when I do this? Gotcha. That's what we need. Okay, so yes, so we got to bring it down and torque in. Hold on. That was easy. Walk it off. Bring your chin up. Chin up. There you go. Tummy down. Got it. Gotcha. Us. Okay. That wasn't so bad. That's the rest. Perfect. Okay, walk it up. So if you
Let's go. Okay, just relax this for me now. That's it right there. Excellent. Good. Now let's come over here. So I adjusted her thoracic. Oh yeah. See, crack eggs gonna love you. There we go. Okay, good. Alrighty. See, look how our legs are even now. This shit, relax your hands on your tummy now. Let me have your leg here. Just relax your leg in my hand. There you go. You should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your pelvis.
I did.
Okay. Same thing here. Relax this. That a girl. Feel that one the same?
Yep.
Okay, let's.
Gorgeous out
It
here.
is gorgeous out, isn't it?
It's gorgeous. Clear, the weather's great.
Yeah, beautiful. Not that humid here either. There you go. It's your right shoulder. You are noisy all over, aren't you? Look at that. Be way off on the other side of
I'll show
town.
my arms.
Good companies on the other side of town from here. Well, they got one in the Woodlands, though. There you go. Now, you should have felt that all the way down your spine.
Yes.
Good. All right.
I felt so good.
Yeah, well, wait till we get this one. Look at there. Oh, yeah. I'm going to adjust you on the knee chest for that one. Yes, ma'am. Crack Egg's going to love you, too. On your tummy. There you go. Relax your leg in my hand. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Should
I
have
thought
felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back.
Yeah, I thought that was.
Okay, same thing here. Relax. Yes, ma'am. Good sink. Okay, breathe. Just like that.
Ooh.
That was a deep one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, come over here. Okay, just breathe through your nose and exhale. Yes, ma'am.
That's
About half an inch taller now. You felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Now watch this though. Look at the difference. You see how that left one was even this to the right one now?
It's so amazing.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Chiropractic is cool
Yeah.
because it works. Okay, drop it in my hand. There you go. There.
Back over here. That's the one. Good. All right. Hey, Bill.
See that?
Hey, Bill.
Right there. Okay, perfect. Because then we'll get the shoulders back the other way. But you're not getting fired at the worst, didn't you? Right there.
Yeah.
There we go. Then you just have to go right to the other side. Are you feeling pretty good now, though?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get this one. Let's get that one. Okay, this is the one that should go a little more. Then you just have to really relax it. Right. There we go. Oh, they're pretty. Okay, right there. There we go. It's just a little tight. Okay, and then right here. Okay, and then same thing, is just really let that go. There we
Okay, just let your spine kind of relax with gravity there and sink. Let it sink all the way down in there. There you go. Just like that. Good job. That was a deep one, wasn't it? Her name's pronounced and spelled. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, ma'am. Crack Egg's gonna love you. There we go. Let me have this leg. Just breathe normal. There you go. And you should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back. There we go. Hands there. Just like that. I know you felt that one all the way down, didn't you? Yep. That's why we call it ring dinger. It's like that fair thing, you know, where you hit the thing, goes up and rings the bell. We get them all. Okay, relax this for me. Let me have you tilt left a little. There you go. Still got another one. Looky there.